Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2005 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now on these vehicles the cabin air filter is located under the front hood and not in the cabin, and it's gonna be just here behind the battery, right? So first thing you want to do, you have to just partially remove this plastic cover. You don't have to remove it completely because you should be able to access the filter just by popping out a couple of these plastic trim screws. You'll have one here, you'll have one here, and mine is missing for some reason, and just by removing those two you should get I believe enough space just to pull out the filter. Now to remove these trim screws you will kind of have to use something like a flat screwdriver just to pry this middle piece out. See, just like that. And then once you do it, this piece will go out and then you can remove the complete screw. And repeat that here. Once these are out, now you can lift up this plastic cover. You see, just want to also lift it here. There is one plastic tab holding it here. It's like two pieces, this passenger side and the driver's side. You just want to kind of lift it up here, you see, and right inside here there is your air filter, right? So it's quite easy to access actually. Okay, now to remove the filter, there's like this filter housing right here. What you want to do, just want to press down onto the filter because it's being held by two black tabs here on the top, right? So I'll try to turn on the flash on my phone actually. You might see it better. Okay, see, two tabs on top. So just push it down and pull it towards yourself, and then the filter is completely loose and you can just pull it out through this opening. And as you can see, this filter was not replaced in a long time. I just got this vehicle off the car auction and this is how it came. So I kind of always like to check all the filters, oil and things like that. But yeah, this is how you remove the old one, and now just once you have the new one, just slide it back in and pop in those two plastic trim screws, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.